Welcome to WebStylePress. Display products in a table in WordPress. WooCommerce Product Table Layout is very useful for online spare parts shops, audio store, online music sale, restaurant food menu, restaurant order systems, takeaway menu, product wholesale, course booking, selling books, electronics shop, affiliate store, and such services and sites. Not every WooCommerce store needs product pages. Sometimes you just need to display products on a single page in a table style. You can also display WooCommerce products in a searchable table layout with filters and then add a table on any page or post via a shortcode. In this video, we will look into that. But before that, give this video a like, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, because I am bringing similar content on this topic. Okay, to achieve this, from WordPress dashboard, go to plugins, add new plugin, search for product table. I will show you two plugins that are doing an amazing job in this regard. Install and activate WooCommerce Product Table Lite and Product Table for WooCommerce by CodeAstrology. WooCommerce Product Variation Table, Advanced Search Filter, Ajax Pagination, WooCommerce Shop Table Layout. And there are other alternatives as well, like Product Table by WooBeWoo, Product Table for WooCommerce, and more. So we'll activate WooCommerce Product Table Lite. After activating WooCommerce Product Table Lite, we get a menu entry named as Product Tables. Let's see its settings. We've got cart widget settings. We've got modals settings and more. Product tables. Click add new product table. And here we can start with blank template, or we can choose from two presets, regular table or list layout. I will select a regular table. Create a table, adjust settings related to max products per page, pagination, and more. Define columns. You can add, delete, duplicate columns, add new column, select elements, from navigation, we can choose to display sorting and search count, or we can remove it. Sorting and result count will be displayed in header. We can choose to display filters. And from style, we can apply custom CSS style to this table. You can apply different styles by phone, tablet, laptop, or desktop. After you're done, click Save Settings, get the shortcode, and use in your pages or posts or in theme. This shortcode can also be used in page builders like Elementor. Pages, add new, publish, view the page, and here we've got it. Sort by price, by rating, by popularity, and more. Results count, product image, name, description, price, quantity. We can add product to cart, and it will be displayed here and at the bottom as well. We have the pagination. It's totally Ajax based. So this is our beautiful products table. Okay, let's use our second plugin. Go to Installed Plugins, activate Product Table for WooCommerce by CodeAstrology. It gave us menu entry product table. Click Add Product Table, click Add New. Here we have got custom fields. You can add new custom fields from here. This is the short code that we have got. And here we have got settings for column, query, design, options, search and filter. We've got products, thumbnails, quantity and price. Expand any element to customize settings. We can add or delete columns that we want from here. We can readjust their position as well. But even if we use it with default configuration, we will get a beautiful product table. Publish. Copy shortcode. New page. Paste the shortcode. Publish. Let's have a look. So this is the table view of shop. It is totally Ajax based. It displays products added in cart at the top. We can remove it. Add products by using add to cart button. Adjust quantity and add to cart. Mini cart is displayed at the bottom as well. We can empty cart by using this button. We can view cart. We can go to checkout. We can search the products, search product by categories, or sort product by categories. Totally Ajax based. So this is how easy it is to display WooCommerce products in a table layout. This method uses plugins, but this thing can be achieved by using custom code also. Let me know in comments if you want to get it done using custom code, and I will create a tutorial on that. I showcase only the best and useful WordPress plugins and WooCommerce plugins, themes, techniques in WordPress that can make your life easy as a WordPress developer. Subscribe to the channel and hit bell icon for more. Also, hit like button below this video. It will help this channel tremendously. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.